In today's vlog, I walk the dog. Where's your ball? Hey, come here, where's your ball? All the gear, all the time. Hey. Catch the ball for the YouTubers. Good job. Brent, let me see your ball. Let me see your ball. There's no good spot to throw it, huh? Are you good at finding new paths in life? Good boy. In case you guys are wondering, the reason why I have all my bike gear and helmet on is because I had to stop and walk the dog. It's actually my roommate's dog. Roommate's out of town right now, so I'm helping out by walking the dog. Let's start over here. Woo! It's freaking gorgeous out here. I need to come out here more. I'm probably standing in an ant bed is what I'm doing. Ow, that was a briar. Yep, that was a briar. Good catch. The tribe retreats into the dark, wet jungle. So that's where they've been hiding all these years. Let's go this way. Let's see what's down here. Ooh, little footpath, huh? A creek, you say? I really want to climb across that for absolutely no reason. I would probably fall. Are you ready? We're gonna go across. Damn. Good boy. Drop it. Yep. Woo. He's gonna break his leg jumping across that. Alright, let's go. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. It rained on me for like, what, 2 minutes? And I'll probably be dry by the time I get back. But the whole thing is we music on the road because it makes it harder to hear the things around you. Is the same guy who puts fucking 6x9s on his bike